Okay. Okay, quiet. Please mute yourself. Good evening, everybody. Please mute yourself. Okay. Now, till yesterday, we have done multiplication till number 5. Okay. We have done multiplications of number till number 5. Now, doing multiplication with numbers 6, 7, 8, and 9. It is almost same like all the other numbers. Let us see how. Like, I have 2 bottles. Then I again got 2 from my mother. Then I got 2 from my brother. Then I got 2 from my father. Then I got 2 from my sister. And then I got 2 from my friend. Now, 2 plus 2. Rajveer, can you do the calculation with me? Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
2 plus 2, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 4.
And then 4 plus 2, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 6.
And then 6 plus 2, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 8.
And then 8 plus 2, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 10.
And then 10 plus 2, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 12.
Okay. So that means I have 12 bottles. But this calculation was little difficult. We were getting confused. Yes,
ma'am.
bar, we were adding 2, 2, 2. So instead of that, instead of writing this, what I can do is 2 multiplied by, how many times will I multiply? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So 2 multiplied by 6. The answer is 12.
12.
See, instead of adding again and again, what I can do is I can multiply also. Adding is little difficult for me. I might get confused and do calculation mistake. But this is perfectly fine. What I am going to multiply? I am going to multiply 2 because that is my digit. How many times will I multiply? The number of times I am adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 6 are 12. Okay. Similarly with 7. If I have 2 plus 2 plus 2 and then again I am going to add 2. What it will become? It will become 14. Instead of adding again and again, what I'll do is 2 multiplied by 7. The answer is 14. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay. Now again see. With multiplication with 8. How I'm going to multiply with 8? I have 3 toffees. Then again I got 3 from my friend. Then 3 from my sister. Then 3 from my brother. Then 3 from my father. Then 3 from my mother. Then from my sister. And then 3 from my neighbor. I have so many calculations to do. See, 3 plus 3, then I have to add so much. Okay, who is going to do the calculation with me? Mishti. Mishti will do today. Mishti, others please mute yourself. Mishti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 3 plus 3, what is the answer?
6.
6 plus 3?
9.
9 plus 3?
12.
12 plus 3?
15.
15 plus 3?
18.
18 plus 3?
21.
21 plus 3?
24.
24. My answer is 24. But this was very long and I can do calculation mistake also. So what I will do is I will multiply 3 because my number is 3. And how many times will I multiply, Mishti?
Yes, ma'am.
How many times I will multiply? 3 multiplied by what?
Ma'am, 8.
8. क्योंकि मैंने 8 times add करा था, so I will multiply by 8 also. 3 multiplied by 8, answer is 24. If I know my tables, I will solve it within a minute. So this was comparatively easy as compared to this addition, because this addition is very long for me. So instead of adding again and again, I can multiply and write the answer. That multiplication I will only be able to do if I'll be able to solve my table, if I know my tables. Similarly with digit 9, I'll add 3. So 24 plus 3, what is the answer? 27. Instead of adding, what I will do is 3 multiplied by 9, answer is 27. See children, addition and multiplication are almost same. Multiplication is used as a shortcut method for addition because addition is very long. Since these are very small numbers, 3 here, 2 here, so you can add on your tips and 10. But supposingly, if I have to add 12 9 times, 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, to calculate करने में I will have problem. I might do some mistake also. So instead of adding again and again, what I will do is I will multiply. It is much easy for me and I will not do that much of errors also. Is it clear why I am focusing on multiplication? Because it is the other method. It is just like the addition, repeated addition. Multiplication is called repeated addition. Why it is called repeated? Because we are doing it same thing. We are adding and adding. So multiplication till 9 is clear. I am going to give you some questions now. Okay. I will not write now and you have to write. I am telling you the questions. 4 multiplied by 7. Please write in your notebook, all of you. 4 multiplied by 7. Nobody will tell the answer, I will ask. Ansh Mathur. Ansh, can you hear me? Okay, he's not there. Yash, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Yash, 4 multiplied by 7, what is the answer? Yash, can you please send me the message because your voice is not audible. You have lot of this errors at your place. You have this communication problem at your place. Please send me the message.
Yes, ma'am.
Ansh, where were you, beta? In the English class also you were not paying attention today, and now it is the same thing is happening in the maths class. You want to study today or not? You are wasting my time in classes time as well. When I call your name, please at least reply back. Okay, Rajveer.
Yes, ma'am.
4 sevens are. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 28.
28. What you have done is you have added 4 7 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Or you can do 4 multiplied by 7. Good. Next one. I'm sending 6 multiplied by 9. Okay. Suryansh.
Yes, ma'am.
6 multiplied by 9. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 54.
54. Very good. Instead of adding 6 9 times and doing calculation mistake, I will do 6 multiplied by 9. And if I know my tables, if I have learned my tables, it is on my fingertips and I can quickly tell the answer. See, that is the profit of learning the tables. 6 multiplied by 9, answer is 54. Next one I am sending. 5 multiplied by 8. Okay, 5 multiplied by 8. Swastik. Swastik, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
5 multiplied by 8. What is the answer?
40.
5 multiplied by 8, the answer is 40. Okay, good. Vanshita, when I will call your name, then only please send the answers. Don't send it like this, okay? I'm asking everyone. Okay. 3 multiplied by 6. Okay. Abul, 3 multiplied by 6. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 18.
18. Good. Next one. 9. 9 multiplied by 9. Okay. 9 multiplied by 9. Mohak. 9 multiplied by 9. What is the answer? Sorry?
Ma'am, 81.
81. Good. Who is this Manoj Yadav who has joined just now?
Ma'am, I Rajveer Yadav.
Okay, you have joined from the different ID. Okay, okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I.
Okay, next one. 8 multiplied by 7. Shreyansh.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, 56.
56. Very good. Okay. Now, 6 multiplied by 8. What is the answer, Vanshita? 6 multiplied by 8. What is the answer? Vanshita, can you please hear me? Sanjeevni, 6 multiplied by 8. What is the answer? Sanjeev, children, can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Sanjeevni, 6 multiplied by 8. What is the answer? Okay, I think there are some network issues at her place.
Ma'am, you can repeat.
6 multiplied by 8. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 6 multiplied by
Now, see, you have not learned the tables. Now you have to add again and again. So it will be very tedious, very hectic for you. So it is better you learn it. 6 8 are it
Ma'am, 48.
48. Very good. So if you will learn your tables, it will be on your tips. Otherwise, you will have big problem. I'm telling you, you have to add again and again, and there are chances that you might commit calculation error. Now, coming to how to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 we have learned how to multiply. Now coming to number 10. All of you first mute yourself. All of you first mute yourself. Now, multiplication by 10 is very much similar to multiplication by 1. The only difference is that you are going to add 0. Like, okay, Swastik. Swastik, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 2 multiplied by 1. What is the answer?
2.
2. Now 2 multiplied by 10. What will be your answer? 2 ones are 2 and you are going to add 0. So it will become 20. 2 multiplied by 1, the answer is 2. So 2 multiplied by 10. We know 2 we will multiply by 1. The answer is 2 only. We are going to just add 1, 0. Okay. Ansh, now can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Vanshita, it's okay if there are network issues. Please stop sending messages. Let me teach in the class. Let me focus. You're continuously sending the messages. It's okay if there are network issues. Please listen what I am saying. Okay, Ansh. 7 multiplied by 1. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 7.
Now 7 multiplied by 10. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 70.
70. When you are multiplying with 10, you have to just add 1 0 and the number will remain same itself. As we know, anything multiplied by 1, the answer is number itself. So you will just write the number and you are going to add 1 big 0. Okay, Abul.
Question? Yes,
Abul?
ma'am.
Okay. 9 multiplied by 10. What is the answer?
9 multiplied by 10.
What is the answer? Okay, 9 multiplied by 1. What is the answer? 9 multiplied by 1. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 9.
9. So 9 multiplied by 10. What will be the answer? You will just add 1 0.
Ma'am, 90.
90. Very good. It is just the same you are doing. You are just going to add 0. Now, 10 multiplied by 10. There are 2 zeros and 1 multiplied by 1. I have given you some hint. Okay, I think Rajveer can tell. Rajveer,
Yes, ma'am.
10 multiplied by 10. Now there are 2 zeros and 1 multiplied by 1. Can you tell me the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
What is the answer? 100. Very good. See, 1 multiplied by 1 answer is 1. And you are going to add 2 zeros. One of the first 10 and then of the second 10. The answer is 100. Anybody who wants to ask anything till here can ask. Otherwise we'll move ahead with exercise 4.5. Anybody who wants to ask anything?
no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Open to exercise 4.5 on page number 64. All of you. Exercise 4.5 on page number 64. Okay. Pencils in your hand and rest everything you can keep aside. It is not required now. Okay. Suryansh, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others, please keep yourself muted. Question number 1 says complete the number line. You can see that on the number line, 0 is there, then 6 is there, then 12, then 18. Observe the pattern carefully. After 18, what will come?
Ma'am, 24.
24. Okay. After 24, what will come?
Ma'am, 29.
Please calculate properly. After 24, what will come?
Ma'am, 30.
30. Very good. So which numbers table this is? Which numbers table this is? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. कौन से number की table है?
Ma'am, 6.
Very good. See, children, he has beautifully observed. Good, keep it, mute yourself. He has observed the pattern 0, 6, 12, 18 was given. So after 18, he again added 6 and it became 24. Then 30. Then after 30, Swastik, what will come?
Ma'am, 36.
36. Very good. And after 36, what will come?
42.
42. See, they have done the number line beautifully because they have observed the pattern. So write those who have not written 6, 12, 18, then 24, then 30, 36 and 42. Okay. Now, coming to question number 2. Question number 2, we'll start with Vanshita. Vanshita? Okay, there are network issues at your place. Okay, no issues, fine. Abul?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, question number 2. There is a table given 10, 20, then after 20 there's a dash. So what will come in that blank?
Ma'am, 30.
30. Then after that?
Ma'am, 40.
Okay, then 50, 60 is given. Then after 60?
Ma'am, 70.
Okay, and then after 70?
Ma'am, 80.
Okay, that means you could observe the pattern. What was the pattern? It was a series of 10. It was a table of number 10. You observed the pattern and you started solving. Okay. Now, children, please mark in your books question number 2, 3, and 4. You are going to do in your homework. Sorry, you are going to do as your homework in your maths book itself. You will do it in your maths book itself. You will do it in your maths book itself. Question number 2, 3, and 4. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, anybody can tell me, Sanjeevni. Okay. Sanjeevni, please unmute yourself and tell me. How many days are there in a week?
Ma'am, 7.
There are, all of you please listen what I'm teaching. There are 7 days in a week. Now, if in 1 week there are 7 days, then in 4 weeks, how many days will be there? Can anybody tell me? 1 week, 7 days.
28.
Then in 4, okay, 28. Very good. What you have done, Sanjeevni? How do you know that there are 28 days?
Ma'am, because 7 4s are 28 and
That means you have multiplied 7 fours are 28. See children, there is one more thing that you can pay attention over here. Whenever we are talking about increasing, badhna, to increase, we will multiply. Like in 1 week, there were 7 days. Okay, in 1 week, there were 7 days. So in 4 weeks, there will be more. Just think, will be more days or less days? ज़्यादा या कम? क्या होगा?
Ma'am, more.
More. So if we are talking about more, it is multiplication. Even if you don't know the answer, just think. In 1 week, there are 7 days. So in 4 weeks, ज़्यादा या कम? There will be more or less. More, that means you have to multiply. Similarly, what you can take? Okay, a dozen. 1 dozen is equals to 12 pieces. Actually, 12 you will not. Say two digits multiplication we have not done. Okay. In one bunch, there are 6 cherries. Okay, all of you listen carefully. I can ask any one of you. In one bunch, there are 6 cherries. Okay. Now, how many cherries will be there in 5 bunches? One bunch is equals to 6 cherries. So in 5 bunches, how many cherries? Now this will be answered only by Yash. Others will keep themselves muted and listen. Now, Ansh, can you hear me? Ansh, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, did you hear the question?
Yes, ma'am.
In one bunch, there are 6 cherries. So in 5 bunches, there will be more or less. ज़्यादा होंगी या कम? पहले तो ये बताओ. First tell me, will it increase or not? In one bunch, there are 6 cherries. So in 5 bunches, will the cherries increase or decrease? More or less?
Ma'am, more.
More. So for more, it means we are going to multiply. More matlab we will multiply. Okay. Now, what you will multiply?
Ma'am, 6 5, sir.
6 by 5. So what will be the answer? 6 5s are?
Ma'am, 30.
30. That means in 5 bunches, there will be 30 cherries. Very good. See, children, you will get such questions in your PA1 exam as multiple choice questions. That is why we are practicing. We will practice more such questions, but I don't want to introduce it today only. Otherwise, you all will get confused. So today I have just told you orally what these questions are about. And from tomorrow, we will do these word problems. Don't think कि ma'am orally पढ़ा रही है. I'm just giving you the introduction so that you don't get confused with so many things in your mind. Okay? You will get such questions. Just think of the basic concept. If it is increasing, that means you will multiply. If it is decreasing, that means you are going to divide, but that we will study later on. So don't go to division right now. If it is increasing, it means it is multiplication. Clear? Like in this question, in one bunch, there are 6 cherries. So in 5 bunches, it will increase or decrease. It is natural, it is understood that it will increase. And increasing means I will multiply. What I will multiply? I will multiply 6 because there are 6 cherries. By what we are going to multiply? We will multiply it by 5 because there are 5 bunches. So 6 5s are 30. Clear till here? You just focus on exercise 4.5. That is your homework for the day. And English language, please write that paragraph that I have told you all. Okay, now quickly give your attendance. Roll number 1,
Present, ma'am.
2. Acha, Adiba is not there. Roll number 3, 4,
Present, ma'am.
5, 6, 7,
Present, ma'am.
8, 9, 10. Those who are not speaking, I'll mark them absent only, even if you are there. 11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
15,
Present, ma'am.
and 16 is not there. Okay. Okay. Okay, chalo children, we'll end the class now. Please revise whatever you have done. And these word problems, I will introduce this to you all on Monday. Okay? Chalo, bye for now.
Anika,
Bye, ma'am.
Anika,
Okay, bye.
Anika.
Yes, ma'am.
6 children absent. How are you going to go about them? Your teaching was so good.
Ma'am, I will send the work on the group because some of them are having network issues, some are out of town in the marriages, and one has already left. Yash
But the
Verma,
way
you know
you
about it.
explained, it was very good, very good. The concept are becoming so clear. But then, how will these children understand? I'm very worried.
Ma'am, even I am worried for the same. Ma'am, I'm continuously calling. Either they are not receiving, and one or two are having genuine issues. Like one is out for the marriage, and the father is saying that he'll join after 2-3 days. So I've told him everything that PA1 is starting, but he said that it was a closed marriage, so he has gone there. He'll return after 2-3
This
days.
kind of information cannot happen on their own. It is just not possible. I was
Right,
so
ma'am, very
even
true.
yesterday I was engrossed in your teaching. Today also, class 3 teaching in such a manner. You're taking such a lot of pain. But 6 absent. It's a matter of
Yes.
concern.
Ma'am, actually 5 because Yash Verma, you know, we yesterday had a word about him in the meeting. So it is only 5 rather.
Yash Verma ko kya hai? He's withdrawing.
He's withdrawing because he was actually not studying at home, so even the parents are not concerned.
Okay. Yash Verma, I understand. That's a different case
Yeah.
altogether.
So
Okay,
5 are there.
keep sending them messages as individually.
Yes, ma'am.
These 5 children.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. For
Because
sure,
all your
for sure.
efforts go down the drain otherwise.
Right,
Because
ma'am.
100% attendance के बिना ना नहीं हो पाता.
Right, ma'am. Right, right,
The attendance should not fall. That is why
Right.
we are having this PTM.
right, ma'am.
Otherwise, there was no need actually. Okay,
Right,
thank
ma'am.
you.
Right. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.